Wow, I can't even believe this.
You can't believe what?
How 1,000 subscribers. So our YouTube channel has now
1,000?
got 1,000 plus subscribers.
I can't believe they want to see us.
Hi everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. So we have Tansy debuting today.
And she wants to get down and play.
She loves it out here. We're boondocking currently, and she loves being out in nature and everything. You know, it is hard for us to believe that we have actually, this channel has been actually going for about 1.5 years. We've had a lot of fun doing this. And Ninette's so excited every time I say we're going to do a video.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Actually, if you look at our first videos, you'll notice a big change. Ninette is now on a lot of the videos, a lot more, and I think she does a really good job. So I've been pretty excited about that. So
Tansy's on too.
Tansy gets on every once in a while. Yep. So what we've done is we've actually gone through it. So this is a problem. So I told Ninette, I said, hey, you know, and you know she's a photographer, and she takes pictures of everything. And so I told her, I said, hey, I want to put together a little picture show for, you know, over the last 1.5 years, 2 years, something like that. You know, we've been, we're in our 5th year, going on our 5 years of boondocking, or living in our RV full time, okay? So she has 1 billion pictures, and that's probably not even accurate. It's probably like 2 billion, but
no,
anyway.
Not quite that much.
It seems like a lot. Anyway, it's filling up the whole hard drive. So, but anyway, so I said, hey, get some pictures together. So she gave me a ton. I was like, oh my heck, I didn't want this many. And she goes, you told a photographer to give you pictures. I'm giving you pictures. So
don't ask if you don't want.
Yeah. So,
but by going through all those pictures, we got to relive all those things, and it's like, my goodness, it's like we've gone on 200 vacations.
That's
so,
one
I mean,
thing.
it's like, wow, we've just done so much in such a little time.
So those of you that are not full-time and you just, or you're not even on the road yet, you're just living at home and you get to take a vacation every week or you know, once a year for a week or whatever it might be. I'll tell you,
it's hard.
we're not in vacation mode. So we're just kind of moving around, and
sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes we move faster than we should, but anyway, the idea is just to go around and enjoy life. And so in these pictures that we got a couple different pictures in there from our use of RV Trip Wizard. We've mapped out our trips. So Ninette did do 2 pictures on our trip in 2021 and our trip this year in 2022. So you can see where we've kind of been going around the country. But anyway, we're going to just, you know, jump into that and play those. You can relive that time with us. It was a lot of fun for us, and it's just like she said, it's like we're on vacation every day. And looking back on that stuff, we just have so many memories, and we wish that we could meet more of you guys, and we wish that, you know, more of you could get out on the road. But we have had so much fun with the individuals that we've met, so it's been fun. It's been fun, and we've really enjoyed it. So anyway,
we picked up many people that can't get out, and they live through our vacations. They said, oh, get another one on there. That was so fun to see that.
Yeah. So and hopefully it's given you, you know, I mean, there's that situation, and then there's those of you that are going to go out and start full-timing yourself, or at least part-timing, getting out on the road, making some trips here and there. So hopefully we've given you some ideas of things that you can do. And you know, it doesn't take a lot of money to do this. If you have a lot of money, that's great. But and you know how it is, the more money you have, the more you spend. But
the less you have, the less you spend. Well,
the key here is that you don't have to spend a lot of money.
You don't have to eat out every day
and have fun doing this.
Don't have to have iced coffee every day.
Oh, wait a minute now.
It's only $1. But
we've been hitting the McDonald's way too much lately with their little app they have, and we get all these free stuff all the time. It's going to catch up with us.
Yep.
But,
that's
anyway.
going to be sad.
So
Doctor's going to say, no more of that.
Sit back and hopefully you'll enjoy this little picture show that we have for you.
As much as we enjoyed doing it.
Well, I know that was a lot of pictures.
Wow, did you make it through the whole thing?
So
Good for you.
now I probably should have told you that at the first, but you know there is this little sprocket that's on the bottom of your right-hand corner of your YouTube that says you can speed it up to
Oh, yeah.
faster or slower. But hopefully you enjoyed the thing. We really enjoyed doing it. You know, we love our subscribers, and thank you so much for being part of our family and enjoying and going with us on our trips and things like that. So hopefully this inspires you, and hopefully we'll meet you down the road somewhere. And if not, maybe on our next video. But in the meantime, take care.
Thank you. Bye.